Are you researching a topic or subject, but you're not finding the results you need? Incorporating Boolean operators can control your search results. In this video, I will educate you about Boolean operators and how they can improve your search results. Boolean operators functions on search engines and databases. The three words are and, or, and not. And. This command will reduce the number of results. Adding and will only return resources that include all your selected keywords. Let's propose my research subject is jellyfish, and I wanted to learn about their predators. When I research jellyfish, I would have to pull through each result that best matched my query. By using Boolean operator and, when I type in jellyfish and predators, the database has returned resources specifically about jellyfish and their predators. Or, this command will deliver more expansive results. Results will produce one keyword result or resources that capture all your selected keywords. I know the Latin name for jellyfish, and people might use the name sea jelly to describe jellyfish. Knowing this information, I will type jellyfish and the Latin name for jellyfish, or sea jelly. Adding or to your search string is beneficial when concepts retain synonym keywords. Not. Purposely omits resources based on your chosen keyword. My new research topic is learning about the witch trials. When I type in witch trials, my results return information about Salem witch trials. If I purposely wanted to exclude Salem by using the word not, I will type witch trials, not Salem. My search results will block all resources mentioning Salem. If you have any questions, call us at 207-781-2351, extension 140, or by email at reference@falmouthmemoriallibrary.org.